Are you tired of living in a cluttered and disorganized home? Do you dream of a minimalist lifestyle that promotes peace and tranquility? Is your home feeling a bit chaotic? Do you dream of a more organized and clutter-free living space? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of home organization and sharing the ultimate hacks to help you declutter and transform your living space into an organized haven. From clever storage solutions to practical tips for every room in your home, this video is your guide to achieving a more serene and tidy living environment. We will share with you some revolutionary organization hacks that will transform your home into a clutter-free haven. Let's start with the kitchen. Have you ever struggled to find that one spice you need for your recipe? We have a simple solution for you. Invest in a magnetic spice rack. And attach it to the inside of your cabinet door. This not only saves space but also ensures that your spices are always within reach. Now, moving on to the bedroom. Do you find yourself overwhelmed by the number of clothes you own? It's time to declutter your closet using the one in, one out rule. For every new item you purchase, donate or sell an old one. This not only keeps your wardrobe organized but also prevents excessive accumulation of clothes. Next, let's tackle the home office. Are your cords tangled and making a mess? Say goodbye to this chaos by using simple cable organizers. Label each cord and use binder clips to keep them together. This will not only keep your workspace neat, but also make it easier to find the right cord when you need it. Now, let's head to the living room. Are you tired of having remotes scattered everywhere? Invest in a remote control organizer to keep them all in one place. Say goodbye to searching for the right remote, and hello to a clutter-free coffee table. Finally, let's talk about the bathroom. Do you struggle with limited space for your toiletries? Install a simple shower caddy on the wall. To keep all your essentials within arm's reach. This will save you from the inconvenience of constantly searching for your shampoo or soap. There you have it. Our guide to achieving the ultimate home organization. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a more serene, efficient, and beautiful living space. We hope these tips inspire you to declutter and organize your home. Remember, an organized home can lead to an organized life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And share it with your friends who could use some organization inspiration. Now, just imagine the peace and serenity that awaits you in your newly organized home. So go ahead. Implement these hacks. And transform your surroundings. May your creative spirit soar. Your hands craft wonders. And your heart finds immense joy in every creation. Happy crafting. And until we meet again. May your creative flames continue to burn brightly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to simplify your life.